Hello, I am Bogdan, founder of Ptah.sh, and today I want to introduce you a new open source and self-hostable tool which you can use to deploy any Docker image you want to your own virtual or dedicated server. Let me show you the very basics on how to deploy a simple image provided by Nginx. So it should serve the instance of an Nginx web server and show details about any incoming HTTP request. So let's begin. Let me log into the control panel. Okay, I already have some services running which are required for the control panel itself, and now I want to create a new one. Let's click create. We will be creating the service which is named Nginx. Keep all those settings by default. So the service will be running a single process which will be based on the image from Docker Hub registry. Let's put the image name here, Nginx demos, hello, of the latest version. I could have changed the replicas number, the startup command, the release command, but I don't need and I don't have any of those, so let's move forward. Also, it's possible to set up environment variables, secret variables, config files, secret files, persistent volumes. Actually, I don't need any of those because this is just a simple HTTP web server, but I need to expose it to the internet. So let's click Add HTTPS endpoint. The container is listed on the HTTP protocol on port 80, and it will be exposed as HTTPS endpoint to the internet. HTTPS is handled by caddy, so you don't have to set up any certificates on yourself. Everything is done automatically. Let's put the domain name. I will be using my control panel as a domain name and put the path which will be served by this service, this process, and this Nginx server. Nginx demos /*. So basically this service will be handling all requests which start with Nginx demos and any number of letters, words, symbols, etc. that you put after it. So let's create the service. We see that a new deployment has been created. Let's refresh the page to see its status. And it's done. So let's open the new tab to see how it works. Navigate to our domain, Nginx demos, as we just put into the endpoint definition, anything after this, and voila, we see that the Nginx server is up and running and have successfully served our request. The URL that I have put in my browser is displayed here, so it works. And that is, we have the Nginx server up and running. Now we can safely remove it. Navigate to the service page, click destroy the service, put the service name here, and that's all. Hope you enjoy it.